Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2019 at a past Photo Managers Conference, the first year I began interviewing my colleagues. Although the year has passed, the insights shared remain valuable to anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy. Hi, back again at our Apple conference in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And I'm with Becky Ball, who is from New Hampshire.
I am.
And Becky, what's the name of your company?
Well, I actually have a unique situation. I have my own photo organizing business, and it's called The Photo Preservers. But I also work in a photo retail store in Dover, New Hampshire. So I do kind of back and forth with both of them, but we do a lot of scanning and archiving at the store, and it brings in a lot of potential clients for me to work with on the photo organizing side. So it's a great combination.
Okay. And tell me about what you do with your or your clients, where you're doing organized, because you had a really unique story.
Yes, I did. It's pretty amazing. It's very emotional, and it's something I feel that is very needed with us as photo organizers. And a caseworker from a organization called Extended Family had come into the store and got talking about her client that she was working with, but she was, like I said, a caseworker. She didn't have any background in photo organizing, never even knew that there was such a thing as photo organizers. So when she and I got talking and I told her what I do, she asked if I would meet with the family, because the father, who's in his early 80s, is going through dementia. But his only focus right now is getting his family pictures in order and his story preserved to pass down to his children, who are in their 50s, mid-50s and 60s. So it was kind of a perfect scenario for me to go into. And so I did meet with the family. They hired me on the spot, and I've been working with him in sessions, like 2-hour sessions, a couple times a week. And we're getting all of his photos safely into albums, preserved in photo safe books, and the story, the journaling, all of it done. His daughters are helping with the journaling to tell their story, and it's just been almost on 2 different levels. We're getting his goal accomplished, just to get his story told, but because of his dementia and his emotional and physical state, it's actually acting also as therapy for him.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's really neat.
It's really quite amazing. It's kind of been a vision I've had, but I didn't really know how it would come together. Mm-hmm. And so the universe works in strange ways, and it was brought to me at the store. And now I have since met with the CEO of Extended Family, mm-hmm. and they are officially putting or adding photo organizing and archiving services to all of their marketing materials, and the services that they will now offer, as well as nursing and house cleaning and grocery shopping and companionship and all that, because it just fits in perfectly. And they say that they work with all throughout the state of New Hampshire and beyond, and they said pretty much every family they work with needs my services.
Yeah.
So
that's great.
yes, thank
thanks.
you.